Hello, I want to open this brand new box of Bishop Power Wand tattoo machine. It's a Packer 4.2 stroke, and let's have a look. We got a nice case inside. Right. Yeah, made in USA. So with the German motor. Okay. It's my first wireless tattoo machine, so I'm quite excited about this one. So yeah, it's a nice little case for traveling probably and everything. Let's open it. There you go. Instructions, full set. Some stickers, some cards, sticker. So yeah, I heard this machine is one of the best ones. We have a Bluetooth as well. So I was looking to choose between FK Irons or Bishop, to be honest, and I chosen Bishop. I chosen Bishop Packer because I think this one, yeah, we got this one here. So it's intended for color packing, color realism, traditional color packing, better ink saturation, fine or bold lines. That's what I'm interested in actually for like, I need quite strong machine to be honest for myself. So it's a 1 year warranty. Well, not too much, but we also can choose from shader or the liner, which they have different strokes. 4.3 for the shader. Let me see. No, sorry. Where is it? The stroke is let's see, where is it? Different. These all three machines, they are different stroke size. Oh, there it is. Yeah. So the shader 3.5, which is more for like what it says, smooth, realistic, black and gray, fine lines. Then we have a Packer, which I have here. It's 4.2 stroke. It's fixed stroke. You cannot adjust it, that one. So it's for like packing and bold lines, what I'm interested in basically. And then you got the liner, which is like fixed five stroke. So it's super strong one. So black work, dot work, line work, all types. So it depends what you're looking for. So today I got this one. Let's see. So in the case you have, this is USB cable, USB charger, plug-in. It's American one. So basically I'm in UK, so I have to get the adapter for this one. Something to keep in mind. Some lubricant to lubricate your machine, probably. Sometimes you need that. We got the RCA cable. We need that if our batteries run out. We got the charger. critical charger for the batteries to charge. That's actually very nice that you have Type C charger and you can place it. It's magnetic as well, so it sticks to the metal, and you can place it somewhere. You have your own nice station for the batteries to charge. We have RCA adapter as well, so if you run out of batteries, which I doubt will happen because they're quite good, the big one will last for full day. This one maybe half day or even more, depends on how long and how you work and what needles you use and stuff like that. But I asked lots of my friends and they really recommend this one, and they're supposed to last your full day easy. So right, the bigger battery, I'm not sure if it's charged. Yeah, it's charged. That's good. Adapter and the machine itself. Wow, very small. Definitely very small machine. Let's turn it on. There you go. Let's move the camera a little bit. Jump start on. Right, let's put it on. Okay. Very quiet. I usually work around 8.5 volts. It says need charging 4%. It's only 4% of the battery remaining at the moment. Okay. Feels very good. Switch off. Alright, feels very nice. So that's the battery. Comes out like that. Oh yeah. You can charge it here. You can put it in your charger like that. This one's 14%. So it's a charging station, very nice. And that's the machine. So let's closer have a look. So it's definitely light, you know, it's not heavy at all, but you can feel it's strongly, it's very well made. Okay, so this is the adjusted grip. It doesn't have any clicking, just like smooth adjusting feel. Yeah, it's all metal, you see, so that's good. This is where the motor is, inside here. Inside this part there's a motor. That's a part it moves and pushes the needle. So yeah, Bishop. At the moment this whole kit price in UK, in England, I think I paid £1,300, 1,350 maybe. So definitely not cheap, definitely something to keep in mind. I mean, you can really find some cheap machines, but I don't know, really. I went straight to this one. It's my first wireless one. Before this I was using Stingray and Dragonfly from Ing Machines, and they're quite strong machines as well. So let's see. Let's put this one on. That's how you. Okay. So you stick out. This is the start and stop button. You can. I think you can. If you keep the two plus and minus, you can switch off the Bluetooth. Yeah. Okay, that's Bluetooth on. If we keep the buttons, I really would like to, so because you can connect the wireless foot pedal, which I'm not gonna do. Basically, I'm definitely not gonna connect anything. I'm gonna use this button here to switch on and switch off. So yeah, it's very solid made. Definitely, I can feel the quality, and it's also quiet and very little vibration as well. Very little vibration. Let me take the cartridge and we put the cartridge inside, see how it feels. Just get a cartridge for you. So that is the cartridge. Magic Moon cartridges I use. Stick in there. Well, very strong feel. I mean, it fits in there very tight. Definitely very tight. Okay, so now, yeah, we can turn the battery any way we want, which is a very good option. Okay, as the machine running, we'll just make this position. Basically, yeah. I'll definitely need to get used to it, you know. So now it's quite, needles sticking out quite a lot. Maybe we reduce that. And it's charging. Yeah, I can definitely hear that it hits strong. So yeah, interesting. Never had one before, so it's quite new. Everything is quite new for me. Sounds good. Yeah, so can't wait to try it on the real skin, and I hope it's gonna be good. If not, you know, you can always return. Basically, I order it, see how it feels, but it should be okay, I believe. And well, I like it. Yeah, it needs charging. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Any questions, put it in the comments below, and see you in the next video.